Welcome back to the second part of our video, and this question involves time and algebra, which makes it a bit of a pickle, but with a bit of practice you'll get it no problem at all. So let's have a look at it. The sum of the ages of a mother and daughter is 46 years old. In 3 years' time, the mother will be 3 times as old as her daughter. How old is the daughter now? So the best way to solve this is to make a little table. On the left hand side I will write now, and on the right hand side I will write 3 years. So we can write in that they are 46 years old now combined, but in 3 years time there will be 46 plus 3 plus 3, which gives you a total of 52. Then we need to think about how can we compare the daughter and the mother together. And the only way we can do this is to write an expression for both. I will give the daughter the letter x and the mother 3x because she's 3 times as old. So now we have 2 expressions and a total, and that's a great way to make an equation. So I can add all of those together and make the equation x plus 3x equals 52. And we can tidy that up to make 4x equals 52 and x equals 13. And as the daughter is 13 in 3 years' time, the age of her now will be 10, taking away the 3 years. Okay, so lots to chew on there. Have a look at the video again to refresh how we did it. The key points being, make sure you gave 3 years to each age as they both aged 3 years in that time, and try to make an expression for the daughter and for the mother being 3 times as old, and so you can find your equation to solve from there. Okay, have a go at some of those questions below, and good luck.